These types of miniature car unboxing videos are absolutely exploding all over social media right now. And here's the interesting part. It's not just miniature cars, miniature bikes, military helicopters, construction vehicles, and countless other miniature machines are pulling in millions of views using this exact same style of content. Need proof? Take a look at this Instagram account. It has gained over 7,624 followers just by posting these types of miniature unboxing videos, and one of its most popular videos has already crossed 6.5 million views. Safe to say, people can't seem to stop watching tiny things come out of tiny boxes. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create videos like these without spending a single dollar. Yep, completely free. All right, let's get into it. First, I've created a master prompt for you guys, and you'll find the link in the pinned comment. Trust me, this master prompt does almost all the heavy lifting for you. Once you have it, copy the entire master prompt. Next, open Claude AI. If you prefer using ChatGPT, you can absolutely use that instead. Paste the master prompt into the prompt box and hit send. Within just a few seconds, Claude AI will generate 10 miniature unboxing ideas for you to choose from. And if none of them catch your attention, don't worry, simply type more and it'll instantly generate another set of ideas. You can keep doing this until you find one you really like. For this tutorial, I'm choosing idea number 6, so I simply type 6 into the prompt box and hit send. Just like that, Claude AI generates an incredibly detailed video prompt that's specifically designed to create a high-quality miniature unboxing video. Now, carefully copy the entire video prompt because we'll use it in the next step. Once you've copied it, open Google Flow AI. After you're inside, switch to video generation mode and select the Omni Flash video model. Now paste your video prompt into the prompt box and hit generate. Wait for about a minute. And just like that, our video is ready. Now take a look. Our miniature bike unboxing looks absolutely incredible. The details, lighting, camera movement, and overall presentation look exactly how we wanted. Honestly, it's hard to believe something this good was created in just about a minute. Now download the video in the highest resolution available because we're going to make another one. Simply paste another video prompt into the prompt box and hit send again. Give it another minute, and boom, our second video is generated. Now take a look at this miniature military helicopter unboxing. This one looks even better. The details are sharp, the unboxing feels incredibly satisfying, and the overall quality is exactly what performs well on short-form platforms. Go ahead and download this one as well in the highest resolution available. And that's literally the entire workflow. Using the same method, you can create miniature car unboxing videos, bike unboxing videos, military helicopters, construction vehicles, and countless other miniature machine unboxing videos. The possibilities are almost endless. If you want to discover even more viral AI content niches before everyone else starts copying them, make sure to check out my other video where I reveal even more untapped opportunities. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something useful and found value in this tutorial. If you did, make sure to subscribe to AI Zentra so you never miss the next viral niche, powerful AI workflow, or content opportunity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.